हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लर्निंग एक्सेस पॉइंट। दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आए हैं। इसका हेडिंग है ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले आपको बता दें कि अगर आप किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और सभी नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो में आगे बढ़ते हैं। डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, व्हाट इज ए डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। तो दोस्तों, देखते हैं हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम होता क्या है। अ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स दैट वर्क टू कन्वर्ट फूड इनटू बेसिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर फीडिंग एनर्जी टू द होल बॉडी. Human does not reproduce its own food like plants and depend on other plants and animals for food, hence called heterotroph. Human needs various nutrients, proteins, and vitamins which are derived from food through digestion. Chewing, in which food is mixed with saliva, begins the process of digestion. This produces a bolus which can be swallowed down the esophagus and into the stomach. So, friends, that is the definition of digestive system. The complete process of nutrition is divided into 5 stages. न्यूट्रिशन का जो प्रोसेस है वो 5 स्टेजेज में बटा हुआ है। वो स्टेजेस कुछ इस तरह से हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज इंजेशन, सेकंड वन इज डाइजेशन, देन एब्जॉर्प्शन, देन असिमिलेशन एंड लास्ट डिफिकेशन। The digestive system. Here you can see in the picture like the food enters through mouth. It mixes with salivary glands, saliva. It passes through esophagus. Then different juices are secreted from liver, gallbladder, and stomach, pancreas, and it passes through small intestine and large intestine, and at last it exits through the rectum and anus. Let's see what is ingestion. The process of taking food, drink, or any other substance into the body by swallowing and absorbing it is known as ingestion. What is digestion? Digestive system contains 6 components which are as follows. First one is mouth, second one is esophagus, that is, and then stomach. Stomach contains 3 parts: the small intestine, colon, also called large intestine, then rectum. Digestion is a process through the large insoluble and non-absorbable food particles are broken down into smaller water-soluble and absorbable particles which are finally absorbed by food plasma. It is a form of catabolism which is divided into 2 groups based on how food is broken down in the body. If food is broken down through mechanical means, then it is known as mechanical digestion, and if it is through chemical means, then it is known as chemical digestion. तो डाइजेशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें लार्ज इनसॉल्युबल और नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल फूड को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांट दिया जाता है, जो जूसेस सिक्रीट होते हैं स्टोमक में और पैनक्रियाज से। फिर उनको जो कन्वर्ट करके उनको इनसॉल्युबल और नॉन एब्जॉर्बेबल फूड को वाटर सॉल्युबल और एब्जॉर्बेबल पार्टिकल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है जूसेस के द्वारा। यह कैटाबॉलिज्म है जिसमें फूड को ब्रेक करके उनको डाइजेस्ट किया जाता है। अब अगर फूड को मैकेनिकल मीन्स द्वारा अगर डाइजेस्ट किया जाता है तो इसे मैकेनिकल डाइजेशन कहते हैं, और अगर केमिकल मीन्स द्वारा डाइजेस्ट किया जाता है तो इसे केमिकल डाइजेशन कहते हैं। माउथ एंड ओसोफेगस. Digestion initiates right from mouth, where salivary glands secrete the saliva in the mouth, in which 2 types of enzyme are found: platinum and maltase. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that begins the process of converting starches in the food into maltose. Around 1.5 liters of saliva is secreted in human on an average day. It is acidic in nature and its pH is 6.8. Through pipe food or esophagus, food reaches into the stomach. Digestion is in stomach. pH of the stomach is 1.5 to 2.5. The acidic environment helps in breaking the food particle and absorption of necessary nutrients from food. The highly acidic environment of the stomach contains gastric glands which secrete gastric juice. This is a light yellow acidic acid. Pepsin and renin are the enzymes in the gastric juice. तो दोस्तों स्टोमक का पीएच होता है 1.5 to 2.5 और इसका एसिडिक इन्वायरमेंट हेल्प करता है फूड को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांटने में और इसे एब्जॉर्ब करने में एज ए फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स। तो दोस्तों स्टोमक के जो ग्लैंड्स होते हैं गैस्ट्रिक जूस सिक्रीट करते हैं इन विच कलर इज येलो एसिडिक एसिड and some of the enzymes secreted are pepsin and renin in the gastric juice. Parietal cells secrete chlorine and hydrogen ion which combine to form hydrochloric acid which help in killing microorganisms, and with the help of enzyme pepsin helps in the hydrolysis of proteins. Hydrochloric acid makes the food acidic by which penicillin reaction of the saliva end. Pepsin breaks down the proteins into peptones and renin breaks down the cationigen into cation. Digestion in duodenum. The duodenum is the first and shortest segment of the small intestine. It receives partially digested food known as chyme from the stomach and play a vital role in the chemical digestion of chyme in preparation for absorption in the small intestine. The gallbladder releases bile which has been produced by the liver to further break fats down into a form that can be absorbed by the intestine. As the food reaches the duodenum, bile juice from the liver combines with it. The main function of the bile juice is to convert the acidic food into alkaline. It is alkaline in nature. तो दोस्तों duodenum is the first and shortest segment of the small intestine. तो ये डाइजेस्टेड फूड रिसीव करता है स्टोमक से और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है केमिकल डाइजेशन ऑफ चाइम। डाइजेस्टेड फूड को चाइम कहा जाता है दोस्तों। पार्शली डाइजेस्टेड फूड स्टोमक से जाके स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जब जाता है तो उसे चाइम कहा जाता है। गॉल ब्लैडर रिलीजेज बाइल, तो गॉल ब्लैडर बाइल जूस सिक्रेट करता है जो कि लीवर के द्वारा प्रोड्यूस होता है और हेल्प इन ब्रेक डाउन फैट्स इनटू अ फॉर्म दैट कैन बी ऑब्जॉर्ब। तो ये फैट को ब्रेक डाउन करता है बाइल जूस जो कि लीवर द्वारा सिक्रेट होता है गॉल ब्लैडर में। एज द फूड रीचेज द डुओडेनम, बाइल जूस फ्रॉम द लीवर कंबाइंस विथ इट। तो फूड जैसे ही डुओडेनम तक पहुंचता है बाइल जूस जो लीवर से होता है वह सिक्रेट होता है और इसके साथ कंबाइन करता है। ये एसिडिक फूड को अल्कलाइन में कन्वर्ट कर देता है जो कि स्टोमक में ये एसिडिक जूस होता है जिससे एसिडिक मीडियम में कन्वर्ट हो चुका होता है। लेकिन जब ये डुओडेनम में जाता है तो लीवर से बाइल जूस इसमें कन्वर्ट होता है और ये एसिड अल्कलाइन मीडियम में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। पैनक्रियाटिक जूस फ्रॉम पैनक्रियाज combines with food and it contains the following enzymes. Trypsin, it converts the protein and peptone into polypeptides and amino acids. Amylase, it converts the starch into soluble sugar. Lipase, it converts the emulsified fats into glycerol and fatty acids. Digestion in small intestine. Here is the process of digestion completed and absorption of digested food start. In the small intestine, intestinal juices secrete and is alkaline in nature and around 2 liters of intestinal juice secretes per day. Intestinal juice contains the following enzyme. Erepsin. Erepsin converts the remaining protein and peptone into amino acids. Maltase. It converts the maltose and glucose. Sucrose. It converts the sucrose into glucose and fructose. Lactase. It converts the lactose into glucose and galactose. And fifth one is lipase. Lipase converts the emulsified fats into glycerol and fatty acids. Let's see what is absorption. Digested food is absorbed by food. Blood plasma is known as absorption. The absorption of digested food takes place through small intestine villi, which are finger-like structure extended into the lumen of the small intestine. Let's see what is assimilation. Use of absorbed food in the body or movement of digested particle where they are used is called assimilation. Defecation. Defecation is the final act of digestion. It is also known as bowel movement. Undigested food reaches from small to the large intestine where bacteria convert into feces which is excreted through the anus. Let's see some of the disorder of the digestive system. Here are some of the important digestive system disorder in human beings. Vomiting. Expulsion of food from the mouth due to irritation in the stomach is called vomiting. Diarrhea. Infectious disease resulting in a loose frequent bowel. Jaundice. Yellow coloration of the skin and mucous membrane. Gallstone. Cholesterol crystallizes to form gallstone. Constipation. Constipation is difficulty of defecation due to decreased mobility in the large intestine. So friend, that was the important video about the digestive system in the human beings. If the video is useful to you, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for latest update on GK and current affairs as well as exam notifications. Feel free to suggest topics of your comment in the comment section. If you want to get the PDF of the file made in this video, please visit our Telegram channel and join it to get the PDF file for free. Keep learning with Learning Access Point. Thanks for visiting the channel. Thank you.